If you want your Outlook emails to automatically forward to Gmail, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to set it up step by step, so every new email that arrives in Outlook can be sent straight to your Gmail account. This is super useful if you're trying to manage all your messages in one inbox, or if you just want to make sure you never miss an important email. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Let's get started. First, go ahead and sign in to your Outlook account by visiting outlook.live.com in your browser. Once you're logged in, look up to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. This is where Outlook keeps all of its email preferences and account options. After the settings panel opens, go to Mail and then click on Forwarding. This section controls where your incoming Outlook emails go when you want them sent somewhere else. On this page, you'll see the option to turn on Forwarding. Click to enable forwarding so Outlook knows you want messages sent to another email address. Now, enter your Gmail address in the forwarding field. Make sure you type it carefully, because this is the email address where your Outlook messages will be delivered. If you want to keep a backup inside Outlook as well, you can turn on the option that says, keep a copy of forwarded messages. That way, your emails will still remain in your Outlook inbox while also being sent to Gmail. Once everything looks correct, click Save to confirm the changes. Outlook may take a moment to apply the new settings, but after that, your emails will automatically start forwarding to Gmail. From this point on, any new messages that arrive in Outlook should be sent directly to the Gmail inbox you entered. If you ever want to stop the forwarding later, you can come back to the same mail and forwarding settings and turn it off. That gives you full control over how your emails are handled. And that's it. You've just set up automatic email forwarding from Outlook to Gmail in just a few clicks. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.